ActionTrac running boards are an all-aluminum constructed, fully assembled powered running board that retracts 8 inches when you open the door. So the ActionTrac is very unique because it's actually a step within a step. The running board itself is a fully functioning running board even when the step is not retracted. When you open the door, it releases down 8 inches and it gives you the ability to get up and step into the vehicle no matter how high your vehicle is. And the ActionTrac come with a bunch of different features. They have a tensile strength of 650 pounds on the brackets, very easy installation. The assembly of the running board itself is fully complete when it comes out of the box, so you don't have to assemble any motors, you don't have to adjust the step height or the angles. Everything goes on and bolts on and stays on in a very easy fashion, particularly for those who are trying to do it themselves. They come including with the LED lights on both sides of the vehicle, so when you open the door you do have an entry light to get up and into the vehicle. There is no cutting or splicing into the factory wiring system when you're installing the ActionTrac. We include a completely assembled wire loom that you only have to plug in the door sensors to. The only wiring you have to do to the vehicle is connecting power and ground to the battery. There's an on-off switch that's included with it, so you can actually switch the power off when the board is retracted or when the up position. So if you're trying to get something out of the cargo basket, you can have a functional step to get up and down very easily, or turn them off when they're in the up position. So if you're cleaning the vehicle and you want to go through a car wash, or if you're out somewhere where you just don't want the step to retract, you can leave it in the off position and the up position all the time. It really gives you the functionality of giving you the step that you need when you need it. We offer the ActionTrac running board not just for the Jeep JK. We're also first to market with the ActionTrac running board for the Jeep JL 2018 Plus. The ActionTrac is not just for Jeeps, we also offer a full line of trucks as well.